PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, the hottest game on mobile. Play PUBG Mobile anytime, anywhere. We're looking for passionate and talented competitors to join the PWK Championship. What is PWK? It stands for Player Well Known. PWK is a tournament that can make you and your team very well known. The eyes of the world will be on you and your squad. So who can join? First, you've got to love PUBG Mobile. Second, have 1,000 or more followers on any social media platform. Don't yet have 1,000 followers? Start live streaming PUBG Mobile today to reach that threshold. Or partner up with a friend who does have 1,000 followers and join the tournament together. Road to the championship. There will be qualifiers in 5 regions: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and China. The top teams will join the regional finals. The top finishers in each region and some invited teams will join the global final to play for a cash prize and exclusive benefits from PUBG Mobile. Don't miss the PWK announcement on our official channel. Be the last survivor and take home the grand prize. The 2019 PUBG Mobile Pro Tour, coming soon.
Yeah.